A tiny seed lay in the soil, dreaming of becoming a big, strong tree. With time, rain, and sunshine, the seed sprouted and grew. Birds nested in its branches, and children played in its shade. In a snowy field, children built a snowman and named him Frosty. They gave him a carrot nose, a hat, and a scarf. At night, Frosty magically came to life. He danced with the children and told them wonderful stories. Every winter, Frosty and the children had the best time together. Once upon a time, in a small village, a little girl named Lily found a kitten lost in the woods. The kitten was scared and hungry. Lily picked it up gently and took it home. She gave it milk and a warm bed. From that day on, the kitten and Lily were the best of friends, always playing and exploring together. In a bustling anthill, there lived a brave little ant named Andy. One day, a huge storm threatened their home. Andy, though small, led the ants to safety by finding a hidden tunnel. Thanks to Andy's courage, all the ants were safe, and he became the hero of the anthill. Urbanization is a global phenomenon characterized by the migration of people from rural areas to cities. This trend can lead to economic development and improved living standards, but also brings challenges like overcrowding and environmental degradation. In an old house, there lived a friendly ghost named Gary. Gary loved making new friends. He played with the children who visited the house, telling them stories and playing hide and seek. The children loved Gary and always looked forward to visiting him.